Hey guys, it's Sebastian from Amsterdam Institute of Trading again this week, just to quickly take a look on our analysis from Tuesday and see what our instruments have done. Germany 40, we said that it might push up through this ascending triangle, and this is what it did. So it has confirmed our analysis from Tuesday. Further, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, it has also pushed up to this uptrend channel line. Confirmed again. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, it has confirmed the bearish analysis from 16th of May. It went down. Euro Swiss franc, it's also confirmed bearish. It has closed below this descending triangle, so we have to see if it will continue the trend. We have two unconfirmed biases: the pound, Australian dollar, which is not moving, and New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, which has retraced a bit to this trend channel line. So we have 4 out of 6 confirmed and 2 unbiased. Enjoy the weekend.